As you're developing an application that consumes content from your project's entries, you can preview any given URL from your application directly from Site View. To do this, navigate to the Site View screen from the sidebar. Use the tree to select the node that you'd like to preview, and using right-click or the three dots icon, you can open the Node context menu. Assuming you've pushed a block from your application to Contensis, you'll be able to select the preview option from here. This opens your application in a new browser tab. From here, you can use the preview toolbar to switch between different versions of blocks, different feature branches within those blocks, and different versions of your content. The same principle applies to any node that you choose to preview from in Contensis. Again, just open the Node context menu, choose the preview option, and your application will be opened at that exact page in a new browser tab. So that's it. That's previewing content from a node in Contensis.